No, 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 no.
Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be me following a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. I'm going to go on YouTube, search for beginner friendly makeup, and I'm going to try it as a beginner with you guys watching me how to do it. If it fails, it fails. If it comes out looking bomb, then I will learn a lot more on how to do makeup. Let's go into YouTube. So I'm now on YouTube. I'm going to type in beginner friendly makeup tutorial. Makeup tutorial. Okay, black woman. I'm gonna choose that. I was watching hers, this beautiful lady. This video got 2.3 million followers. I was already watching that. Let's watch that together. Okay, we're going to do this, you guys, and we're going to put on makeup.
So today I'm starting off with the Black Radiance True Complexion.
So I do not own that, the True Complexion contour palette. I do not have that. I do have an old palette. I don't know if it's expired, probably is, but it has some it has some similar shades. We will not be using that, you guys. I do have a spoolie brush. My eyebrows aren't waxed. If you see me looking that way, there's my mirror. So I do own a spoolie. Let's brush our eyebrows. Okay, you guys, do not laugh. This is literally what I have left of this eyebrow pencil. What a shame. I don't know where the other one is, but I really don't know. But let's draw with this. I do know how to do my eyebrows, you guys. Let's do that for a quick minute.
Shadow effect with this product. So you just want to take like an angled brush and just brush that powder, filling in any gaps that you may have in your brows. So you don't want to create a whole new brow unless you don't have any hair on your brows. But if you have brows.
Oh, I forgot to mention that my makeup brushes, I ordered them from Amazon. They were for like $10. They are called the BS Small. They are called the BS Small. I like to use this brush. I don't know what's the name of this brush. Someone please put it in the comments, but I like to use this Archie brush. You guys, I'm gonna tell you a hack. When the LA Girl concealer, sometimes you push it and then the product doesn't want to come out. You guys, don't waste product, just cut it open. That's just what I did, and there's concealer there for a whole another 2 months. You guys, don't waste products, because I don't waste.
You just want to fill in the empty gaps like so, and then brush it through. So to conceal your brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this concealer is very affordable. It is $2.99 at your local beauty supply store. But this this product is really good because one, it has a brush tip applicator, so it's easy to apply, and you want to apply this around the perimeter of the brow you just filled in.
Then I go in, I do own a Real Technique, what's this called? The Luxe Concealer Brush. I feel so fancy. This is by Real Technique.
It basically just cleans up your brow, and you'll see the difference between this brow and the other brow, but you just want to blend this out. And if you don't like using your fingers to blend out your makeup, then you can definitely use a brush for this. Now for foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is their matte and poreless foundation in the shade 338, which is spicy brown. And this foundation is a little bit messy. You have to kind of like dump it on your hand or on a mixing plate or something. And I'm just using my finger to dab this on.
She's going in with the Fit Me. I also have a Fit Me foundation. This was actually my first foundation, and I have oily skin. And I bought Dewy Plus Smooth. You guys, this was a mess on my skin, but recently I switched over to another one. This one is a Black Opal. This is really good. This one's really good. I learned the trick. If you have oily skin, just dab a bit of setting powder on your skin before you apply your foundation. So I do have a setting powder. I did not buy this with my own money. I got it in a PR package from influencer. Yeah, and this is by the brand Milk Makeup. Okay, I'm gonna apply it on my fingers.
To my face. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation lines are bomb.com. I'm blending this out with a sponge. This sponge is damp, so I'm using that to blend out this foundation. But back to the foundation. This foundation is really good. It's buildable medium to full coverage foundation, and it has so many shades for you to choose from. Not only does it have a good shade range, but it also has dewy and the matte poreless version. So if you have, dry skin, you can use the dewy one. If you have oily skin, you can use the matte one. And as you can see, my skin looks very flawless.
So she said you can stop right here if you want a no makeup type of look, but I'm trying to learn more. Like, I'm trying to learn how to highlight, how to contour, and those type of stuff. I'm thinking she will be going into that now, but I do know the basics. I do know how to draw my eyebrows. I do know how to put on foundation. I've watched a lot of tutorials, so I do know how to do that. But this is what I do. This is what I call makeup.
So now I'm going back in with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using this to highlight the high points of my face. So this is supposed to basically bring forward all the attributes that you want to bring forward, which is why it's called like highlighting / concealing your face. And you want to do this under your eyes. Some people do it on their chin, like myself, on the bridge of the nose, and in the center of the forehead. And this, like I said, basically just kind of brings that yellow tone back to me, because the Fit Me foundation was a little bit red. So by using this yellow toned concealer, it kind of brings everything together and brings it back to my natural undertones. And I'm just blending this out with a sponge. You can blend it out with a brush or a sponge, but I like to blend it out with a sponge, so I'm just doing that here. I'm just putting some of this on the other side of the sponge and then blowing off the excess, and then I'm just pressing that into the skin in all the areas that we used concealer. And this basically sets your makeup. So a lot of people ask, why do you use setting powder? I don't understand the purpose, blah blah blah. The purpose of using setting powder is to make sure your makeup stays in place. So if you're outside and you start sweating, you don't want your makeup to move anywhere. Especially if you're using a creamy concealer, you really want to set it with a powder, because creamy concealers will crease and crack on you very quickly. So that
okay. Is she doing this on her whole face or?
And I'm using the Sculpt shade, and this is in their dark to deep shade, so it is a little bit darker for my skin tone.
Okay, I do not have the contour one. I've seen a lot of videos where they use eyeshadow, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going in with this one as a contour, so wish me luck.
But I just wanted to use this to show you that it still works for people who have my skin tone, and we're just using this to contour our face. And contouring basically is the opposite of highlighting. It
What the hell, bro? Help! I don't know how to do this.
I'm going back and with the complexion contour palette shade, and this is in their dark to deep.
I do not know what I'm doing. Girl, you're going too fast. She going in with eyeshadow. She really going too fast. She's not even waiting on me. Wait, she going so fast.
Ryan Little.
So now she's talking more about the product, but that was quick and easy, you guys. I feel like I did horrible, but okay, let me back away because when I sit here it doesn't look that bad. So you guys, that was it for the makeup tutorial. I followed what's her name, let's see her name. So I use Slim Richey, her makeup tutorial, her beginner friendly makeup tutorial to create this. I know it's a mess, so be nice to me in the comments. I did not know what I was doing. I was simply following her. She was going a bit too fast for me. This is the outcome. From far it doesn't look bad, but once I come close to you guys, you will see the damage. But this is what it looks like. The tricky part is the contour and the highlight, but for the rest, and also eyeshadow, and also my lip. So basically I know nothing. Okay, what would you rate what I did? What would you rate my creation of Slim Richey, her beginner friendly makeup tutorial? I would not go hard on myself, but I would give myself a hard 6, because I'll give myself points for my eyebrows, the foundation. The other parts are in God's hands, okay? But I would rate this a 6. So tell me in the comments what you would rate this makeup look. If I did a good job, please don't come for me in the comments. Just don't go hard on me in the comments. But yeah, this is what I did, you guys. Come to the end of this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. I already told you, rate my makeup look, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more of me, make sure to click that bell button to get notified whenever I post a new upload. So you guys, see you in my next video. Bye.